So I'm going to be showing you around our 2014 Land Rover, Range Rover Evoque. Take you around the bodywork, take you inside, and show you the features along the way. Start at the front left, your LED daytime running lights. That's the front, so your front parking sensors. The bonnet is dent and chip free. Windscreen is also cracked and chip free. To the front right. Good condition. Got your LED rear lights, backlight, dual exhaust system, and rear parking sensors. Back left. Down the left hand side now. So inside you've got full black leather. So you've got 33,381 miles on the clock, too many threes there. Your electric mirrors and windows, leather steering wheel with infotainment and trip computer controls. And also your telephone and cruise control. Got automatic windscreen wipers and automatic lights. Over here you've got your sat nav set up. You've also got your audio, so you've got DAB radio, Bluetooth audio, auxiliary in, nav and phone. Got your heated seats, both left and right, and dual zone climate control. The option to turn off traction control, your eco mode, and you've also got, sometimes there's a free CD in there, not today. Electric handbrake, automatic gearbox, and down here you've got your different driving modes. So for your off-roading, you've got for your snowy weather, when you're in like tracks, and when you're driving at an angle. You've got keyless entry, some nice aluminium line cup holder, and a 12-volt import. And here you've got another little cubby hole with a 12-volt import, your auxiliary import, and your USB. That pretty much sums up the interior. All the seats are in lovely condition. If you're interested in booking a viewing of this car, please give us a call on 07917 033 781. Someone will be happy to put you in and answer any questions you might have. The car comes with 1 year's AA breakdown cover, 1 year's warranty, will have 1 year's MOT. The car is a category vehicle, so if you don't know that, make sure you do your research on it, and it means it has been professionally repaired to a very, very high standard. As you can see, all of the gaps are all good. No signs of being any sort of accident whatsoever. But if you have any further questions about that, feel free to give us a call and someone will help you. Take care, thanks. Hope to speak to you soon.